name is Red Eye. Who did that? You said pull. You look like that miserable rebel Cowl.
He's my cousin. But we don't get along.
What do you want?
I want to join the Horde.
You're too small to be worth much.
Oh, wait! You say you're Cowl's cousin? Can you get me something of his?
Something of his? Like what?
Some of Cowl's feathers.
Cowl's feathers? What for?
To bring an end to the rebellion, once and for all.
I will. I'll pull out every one of Cowl's feathers. Well, would you hurry up, though? I'm getting hungry.
If you're so hungry, go on ahead. I'll catch up to you.
Oh, I'll do that. Well, if it isn't Cousin Cowl. Oh, Red-Eye, what are you doing here? Oh, up to no good, I'm sure. Oh, don't be so hard on me, Cowl. I want to be your friend. Friend? Ha! You don't even know what the word means. Well, I'm trying to find a gift for Hordak. Hordak? I thought so. Whenever there's a wrong side, you're on it. I think instead of feathers, I'll bring him the whole bird. Let me go! Let me go!
It looks like Cowl's in trouble.
Hey, get this off me!
Steady, Spirit.
Come on, you! Let me go! Adora, you came just in time. Red-Eye was trying to kidnap me. We'll meet again, cousin, when you don't have your big friend with you.
He called you cousin.
It's embarrassing. There aren't many of my relatives left in Etheria, and he has to be one of them.
Adora, Cowl. What happened?
Nothing much. Cowl ran into a tough bird.
Adora scared him off before he could do anything. All I lost was a few feathers. So you did, cousin. And they're all I need.
We can now capture the rebels. All of them.
Explain it to me, Shadow Weaver. How?
Because Red-Eye is Cowl's cousin. With these feathers, I can cast a spell that will let us read Cowl's mind.
Exactly. What good will that be?
Because, you silly furball, if we can see into Whispering Woods, we can see what the rebels are up to. All ready, Hordak?
Succeed in this, Red-Eye, and I will make you a Force Captain of the Horde. Fail, and you will be sorry.
Powers of evil, show your might. Bring what is dark into light. It works. Look, the rebel camp in Whispering Woods.
Amazing.
Hush. Listen.
Here's how we'll surprise the Horde. Their trucks will come along this road, and there won't be any troopers.
What is it, Cowl?
I don't know. I have the feeling I'm being watched.
When are you going to learn, Featherhead? The Horde has no idea of what we're doing. This is Whispering Woods.
Bo's right, Cowl. It's just your imagination.
That's right, rebels. Pay no attention to Cowl. It's just his imagination. So, you think you'll surprise us? Well, we will do the surprising.
See? No troopers, just as I said.
I don't like this. It feels funny. I think I'll watch from over there.
Cowl's right. All those trucks and no troopers, it's not like the Horde.
Come on, let's go.
It's a trap.
Capture them!
We're pinned down.
Oh, dearie my. We've got to do something, Broom.
Yeah, how about a little fog?
Oh, good idea. Measle, mazzle, muzzle, mail. Let's have some smog out of Broom's tail.
I said fog, not smog.
Now's our chance. Let's go. Thanks, Madam Raz.
I knew it. I knew something would go wrong. You were right, cousin. In fact, Hordak and I planned it that way. How could you know we were going to be here today? A little bird told me, Cousin Cowl. A little bird. And that's what he said. A little bird told him. I'm the only bird around here, and I sure didn't tell Red Eye.
When we were planning the raid, Cowl felt he was being watched, and then it was as if they knew we were coming.
The trees won't let the Horde into Whispering Woods.
True, but maybe Shadow Weaver has some new spell. Is that possible, Casta?
Oh, it might be. Because Red Eye is a close relative of Cowl's. Shadow Weaver has a family mind-reading spell. But to make it work, Shadow Weaver would have to have something of yours.
You said Red Eye got some of your feathers.
That's it. Shadow Weaver can use those feathers to read Cowl's mind. She can see and hear everything we do.
Then I'm just like a Horde spy.
You can't just run away.
I can't stay here. I'm a danger to my friends. Hordak could be listening in on us right now.
Where will you go?
Far away. Maybe to the Valley of the Lost.
But no one ever comes back from there.
Oh, I know. And please, Spirit, don't tell anyone where I've gone.
I'll try not to, but if somebody asks, I can't lie.
That will have to do. Thank you, Spirit, and goodbye.
Good luck, Cowl, and be careful.
I must tell Hordak.
Cowl has left the Whispering Woods? Then we can't use him to spy on the rebels anymore.
Perhaps Cowl can be more useful to us in another way.
How?
We can go to the Valley of the Lost and capture him.
Those soft-hearted rebels will pay anything we want for the little creature. And we will have our spy back where he belongs, in the Whispering Woods. Well, what do you think?
Think. I don't think much. It hurts my head.
The ship, you idiot, the ship! There is Monstron, the largest of all Horde ships.
Oh, very nice. Horde Prime let you borrow his finest ship?
Of course!
Oh, then you mustn't let anything happen to it.
That is the mightiest ship in 9 worlds. What could happen to it? Well, you might crash it, or the rebels might get hold of it, or you could... Silence that tongue of yours before I tie it in knots. And bring me that map. Yes, Hordak. Yuck! That's disgusting.
Adora, can I ask you a question?
Of course, Spirit. What is it?
What would you do if somebody was going to do something that might be dangerous, but they asked you not to tell?
Well, I think that if somebody's in danger, that it's more important to tell.
Good. Adora, Cowl has gone to the Valley of the Lost.
Oh, no. I hope Hordak doesn't know. For the honor of Grayskull!
There's Cowl.
Uh-oh, here comes trouble. Ooh, I've got to find a place to hide. Like in that smoke.
Cowl's disappeared into the volcano smoke. Follow him.
Getting hot. Can't make it.
There's Cowl.
It's She-Ra. Robots, to your stations.
No use.
Hang on, Cowl.
She-Ra!
Up, Swifty. Before the smoke gets us all.
Freeze them.
Swifty, what is it?
They've hit my wing. It's frozen.
Oh, no.
Now close in and we'll finish the job.
Sword to glider. Got to slow us down.
Every time. She does it every time. Stun rays at full power. I want every square inch of that forest covered until we get them.
We'll be safe from Hordak's stun rays in here. Lie down, Swifty. Let me look at that wing.
Oh, that hurts.
I'm sorry.
Hordak's right above us.
I'll get them if I have to burn the whole forest.
Oh, that would take time. Why not let Red Eye read Cowl's mind to find them?
Can you find Cowl without Shadow Weaver?
Ooh, I can hear him.
That's better, She-Ra. Thanks.
She-Ra, Red Eye's trying to read my mind.
He is he? I have an idea. Let's see if we can use that to our advantage. We'd better get back to Whispering Woods.
Whispering Woods?
Are you ready?
Ooh, I'm ready. Whispering Woods, here we come.
Well, what's happening?
I heard them. They're heading back to Whispering Woods.
That can't be. We have them pinned down. There's no sign of them on the screen.
Don't go too high, Swift Wind. We don't want Hordak to see us.
I won't, She-Ra.
Ooh, I just love flying with you, Swiftwind. Watch out for those trees.
Change course back to Whispering Woods.
It worked. Hordak's ship is moving away. They think we're going to Whispering Woods. Those birds give me an idea for a real surprise.
Where are they? No. Oh, What was that?
I know you get a kick out of surprises, Hordak. Here I am.
It's She-Ra! We've been tricked! Troopers, open fire! Full freeze power!
Birds, birds. Hear my call. Your help is needed. Birds, we need your help. Need your help. Please come and bring your friends. Come, birds. Help us.
I can't see a thing. I can't either.
Send out the jet troopers! Get those things off my ship!
She-Ra, look! The birds are attacking the Horde robots.
Fools! Must I take care of everything myself? This will keep She-Ra busy until I can deal with her.
The volcano's eruption will destroy the valley. Doesn't Hordak ever give up?
Never, She-Ra. Either Monstron or the volcano will take care of you and those birds, She-Ra. Which do you choose?
Neither one, Hordak. Steady, Swifty. We've got a big job here. Out you go, robot! Time for your mud bath! I guess you'd call this a shakedown cruise, guys! All right, Swifty. Let's get to that volcano.
Oh no! Not my Monstron!
Ah, you mean Horde Prime's Monstron. He's not going to like this. I'm glad I don't have to tell him.
When do I get my Force Captain uniform? Listen, I'd settle for a lieutenant.
Lieutenant?
Oh, all right, how about sergeant? Maybe corporal?
This is your fault! We lost Horde Prime ship! I'll send you to the energy mine!
I want to thank you all. You were really wonderful. We couldn't have beaten Hordak without you.
Oh, no, She-Ra. We thank you. Hordak has always been mean to us. He would have burned our homes and we'd have no safe place where we could live in peace. That's all we want.
Ooh, actually, we birds and you humans really want the same thing.
That's right, Cowl. You might even say we're all birds of a feather.
Ooh, you think so, do you? Well, let's see which of us birds is faster. Come on, Swifty. I'll race you home.
Come on, Swiftwind. Let's show Cowl a thing or two about flying.
Hi, here's looking. Well, did you find me? If not, find me now where I was hidden in today's story. Find me yet? Here I am. In today's adventure, Cowl had a problem. Of course, everyone has problems. The trick is to know what to do when you have one. What I do is talk it over with someone who cares. That usually helps me. I'll bet it will help you too.